Alright, before we get into it, this is not a how-to video. This is a video I'm making just to try and make it a bit easier for you to install a spark plug on your CRF250L. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plug on your CRF250L. What you're going to need is a new spark plug, ratchet extension, spark plug tool, 5/8. That's a small spark plug tool. You can get two sizes of them I'm aware of, probably get more. I've got two different ones. Ratchet. You'll need a small Allen key too. I think it's 5mm. You may also need the claw tool. Okay, we're gonna have to take all this off. Have to take this off too. And your spark plug's inside here. That's the lead. Spark plug's inside. Alright, I'm gonna take the fairing off. One. Pick it off, pull it here, pull it off here. 2, 3, and the fourth one down here. I just took that one last bolt out up here. Just pull it off. Look, it's gonna take me 1 second longer to get the job done. I don't care. Okay, the lead's out. Spark plug lives in here. So, you're gonna get your spark plug tool, your extension. Throw the socket end down in there. Get the extension. Clip it in. As you can see, get the ratchet. Ratchet's in there. Look, it's not 100% clicked in because I believe once you crack it, you're going to take the ratchet off and get it out by hand with that extension. So I'm going to crack it. 3, 2, 1. It's cracked. Okay. So you can keep slowly undoing it. Sometimes you need 2 hands. You're going to get to a point where you don't need the ratchet, it's still by hand. Pull it out. Okay, so I can't seem to pull the spark plug out. The socket isn't magnetic. This is where the claw tool may come in handy, or it may not. We'll see. Alright, the claw tool. Claw tool got the spark plug out with the socket on it. The part numbers match SIMR8A9. That's what a new one looks like. Socket tool. Plop that back in. Extension. Put that on there. Start turning it around till you feel it starting to thread. Feel the plug starting to thread into the chamber. Okay, so that's hand tight now. I'll get my ratchet again. Put it on there. Tighten it back up. Just gonna tighten it a little bit more. Tighten it a little bit more. One more click. pull it out, ratchets out, extensions out with the socket, lead back in. You hear a noise. You hear it pop when it's in right. Now I'm going to put these fenders back on. Quick wipe. Looks like shit. I'll have to wash it. But spark plug's changed. We're good to go. That's the old spark plug.